Hi everyone, this is Horma from Garden Plant Lover. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to introduce Polish Linguisa tomato. This is the description is saying it is a paste type tomato, and it is quite large for paste tomato. I grow it for the first time, and I'm going to cut this one open and see what's inside. Yeah, here it is. It looks like it does look like paste tomato, and let me check the taste from this meaty side. It's not a super sweet tomato. It is sweet, but it is a medium sweet, and it has a little bit of tartness but no acid at all, and it has a firm silky flesh, and I'm sure it is going to make a great tomato paste or tomato sauce. It is a very good processing tomato. Polish Linguisa, like I said, and I'm growing it for the first time, and hopefully I will be growing it again. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.